Once upon a time, there was a Nintendo console quietly lying in a drawer. It had never been played, never met anyone, and every day it let out a soft sigh. The console had a big rectangle body, like a lazy little robot. But deep inside it always dreamed, "I wish someone would draw me a face." Then one day, a hand appeared, and it was you. You drew a shiny screen for it, and inside that screen, a beautiful game world came to life. The Nintendo was overjoyed. "Yay, I can finally play. I'll control Mario, jump around, and eat mushrooms all day." You colored it green, red, and purple, and each color felt like a little celebration. Just like when you smile, it smiles too. And from that day on, the Nintendo was never lonely again, because it had you, the one who turned it into the best little gaming buddy ever.
Wow!
See you in the next drawing.